Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to promote Temu products on Pinterest. Now, how do you promote Temu products on Pinterest? It's very easy. It is called affiliate marketing. Now, what is affiliate marketing? If you search that on YouTube, it is a revenue sharing marketing method in which an affiliate, such as a blogger or YouTuber or content creator in general, advertises a business's goods or services to help it meet its sales or marketing goals. Now, to promote Temu products on Pinterest, you need to do two things. You need to go to temu.com and sign up for an account. And you after that, you also need to go to pinterest.com to sign up for an account. And as you can see here, just go to any browser and go to temu.com. It's going to be usually the first or second option. After that, you're going to be brought to this place, and what you want is click on sign in or register. So do that, and here you could just put your email or your phone number, or better yet, this is the faster one, is to use your Gmail, your Facebook account, or your Apple account, and it's going to sort out the registration process a bit faster than if you just put whatever, right? So after that, you'll be good to go. And then after you finish Temu, you go to Pinterest. Again, you just go to pinterest.com or just search Pinterest on your Google browser, and you're going to be brought to this page. And what you want to do is click on sign up. And here you're just going to fill in your email, password, birth date, continue, or faster is, again, I will always recommend this than just filling everything up, because this takes more time. But click continue with Google is way faster using your Google account. But make sure that your Google account is signed in on your browser, whether it's Chrome or Firefox or whatever you're using. Click that. It's the same thing. It's very fast. And you don't really need, I don't think you need confirmation emails, because I can't remember, but it's very streamlined. It's very fast. So after that, you will be able to sign into your Temu and your Pinterest accounts. Now, how do you promote Pinterest products or items on Temu? I mean, Temu products on Pinterest. It is very easy. What you want to do is, once you're signed in, right, all you need to do is scroll to the very bottom of the page until you hit this. So here you're going to see affiliate pick for cash, right? So it is under company info. It's the third option. So click that. A new browser will pop up, and here you're going to be brought to the Temu affiliate program. So as you can see here, we have $100 or $2, like $1.75 or something. And here you can earn by referring new app users. So you get up to 30% commission on orders placed within 30 days of your referral downloading the app, and you also get an extra download reward for every referral who downloads and orders. So as you can see here, here on the share to earn, this is what you're going to share on your Pinterest post. So how do you do this, right? So this is a link and this is a code, but how do you do this when it comes to Pinterest? It is very easy. So going back to Temu, right? So you can just promote any of these if you want, but the best way for you to set yourself up for success is click here on bestsellers, right? Either bestsellers or 5-star rated, either can work, but bestsellers is your best option, no pun intended. So click on bestsellers, and here you're going to be brought to the bestseller item list on Temu. As you can see, there's literally unlimited number of them, and what you want to click is within the last 30 days. If you want, you can do within the last 7 days, but if you click within the last 7 days, you need to look for a trend. So as you can see here, it is summer now in the Philippines, so you might want to do fans or any cooling devices or whatnot, right? Or any summer fashion, bathing suits or whatnot. But it is, again, best to do this within the last 30 days, because this is going to be the best-selling products on Temu for the last month, right? So You just need to choose which one you want. So for example, let's choose this fan, right? Let's choose one mini portable fan. Let's open that tab, and as you can see here, one piece mini portable fan handle for fan personal mini fan. So it has its information here, and as you can see, there are a lot of 5-star reviews. I'm happy with my purchase. The phone is very elegant. It performs as it said. My kids and I really liked it. Very useful in today's times. Thank you for the great service. Until next time. So as you can see here, this is what we're gonna choose. So what you want to do next is copy its title. So this is a portable fan, right? And go to Pinterest, and then click on search portable fans. This is mini portable fan air cooling. Let's just click on that, and here you're going to see different fans for cooling. And as you can see, if you hover each item, there is a link. These are all affiliate marketing tools, right? These are all affiliate marketing tips. This one is just there, but most of the time this one is from Amazon. As you can see, if you click that, it's going to bring you to Amazon, to this as you can see, this product, right? So as you can see, there is already a lot of things here. So again, going back home, what you want to do next is choose the best picture for this cooling fan, right? So that it could appeal to a general audience on Pinterest. Because you know, a lot of people use Pinterest. You know, I don't, but a lot of them do. So what you want to do is get the best one. So I would say either green or pink, maybe pink. So what we want here is click on this, open image, new tab. This is the image that we're going to use to promote our affiliate links on Pinterest, right? So what we want to do is just save the image. As you can see, it's WEBP. I don't know if that's going to work, but let's just screenshot this just to make sure, and then click that, right? After that, what we want to do, go back to Pinterest, click on create on the upper left corner of your screen like this, choose a file or drag and drop an item. So choose a file. Let's go to pictures. Let's choose this. As you can see here, this copy mini portable fan again, and then the description. Let's just copy handheld Pro 5. Just copy all of this, right? And then put it here, right? And here, affiliate link is this, right? So copy. They're gonna get this bundle. Copy this link. And also at the same time, you need to justify that this is an affiliate link. This is an affiliate post, right? Because if you don't do this, Pinterest might delete your your post. And after that, click on the code so they get 30% off. So just copy that and put it here. Code, right? Put code like that. There you go. And then board, choose board. Let's say Temu. Create board. Right? There you go. And then tag topics. What you want is, this is kind of like Facebook. What you want is like 2 to 8. 2 is a sweet spot. So summer, right? Summer. This summer cooling, right? Or let's just say mini fan. Let's type mini fan. No, okay. So summer gadgets, or summer home decor, right? And then let's just get gadgets, right? Cooling, air conditioners, maybe that, right? Just whatever you want. So that's it. After that, what you want to do is just click on publish, and you will be good to go. And as you can see here, your pin has been published. Let's view it. And as you can see here, this is what we have, and it is, there you go. That's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.